Hey guys, it's Nick here from the Spartan Trader Academy. I just want to share in this video all the names, hopefully all the names that supported our charity event on May the 18th. People that actually paid for one day workshop to support the Nepal earthquake victims. Okay, so just again a big thank you to those people. And you can see their names right here on this PayPal account. I'll just scroll down to share their names to get to the next page. Again, it was a one-day workshop. We're talking about a nice, easy to use strategy, and I'm happy that so many took action and supported this cause. Let's go back. There we go. Just promoted that for a few days. So we gathered a lot of money. There we go, that was it. Again, thanks a lot, and I'm happy to do that again.